you can see, it's heavily snowing today. Everything is quiet and white. It's not that rush day, and but again, everybody's enjoying. A lot of people out there just having a walk, having a snow shower. It's pretty interesting. Snow or not, life still moves on. Let's get some groceries and do a little shopping. Let's go. Grocery on snowy days, it's really different. Like fewer people, less crowd, dim light. Snowy days in Toronto remind me that not every day needs to be productive. Some days are just living, staying warm, and enjoying the moment. Stay safe, stay warm. See you in another vlog.